Hello friends, how are you doing? This is Balaji, and in this session I am going to show you how to swap the value of variables in JavaScript without the usage of a temporary variable like this. So let's start. Before typing the new code, I'll just comment out the old code and then I'll just copy this line, paste it here. Yeah, before swapping, the value of A and B is 10 and 20. Now first I'll type out the code, then I will explain you how the code actually works. Okay, so I'll create a new array which holds the value of A and B, and then I'll assign it to B and A. Now if I console log the value of A and B, means see, it got swapped. Okay, fine. Now I'll explain you how this code actually works. So in this particular technique, we are using a concept in JavaScript called array destructuring. I'll explain that to you. So for example, consider we have an array which holds the value of 1, 2 and 3. Now if I want to assign these values to another variable, means how usually we will do? Using array index, right? For example, I want to assign this to x, y and z, means I'll type x equal to ARR of 0, y is equal to ARR of 1, similarly z is equal to ARR of 2. So this is how usually we will do. Now I'll show you how to use the destructuring approach to achieve the same behavior. So what I will do is, within the square bracket, I will put my variables x, y and z, and then is equal to ARR. Now if I console log this variable, means see, it got 1, 2, 3 assigned. So this is how the destructuring works. In this particular case, we can declare and initialize the variable in the same line. So maybe for example, I can type let x comma y comma z is equal to ARR. So here we are creating this variable and then assigning the value in the same line. And even we can change this let to const, which means we are not going to change the value of x, y and z. Now I'll come to this code. I'll break out this code for you. So here what we did was, we created a new array which holds the value of A and B. And for now I'll assign it to a temporary variable ARR. Now I'm going to destructure the value of this ARR to B and A. So within square bracket, I'll put b comma a is equal to ARR. I don't need to type let or const here because these variables are already declared here. And then I am using b first and a second because I want the value of a to go to b and b to go to a. So I am using it in a reverse order. Now we can even simplify this code. That is, instead of storing this array to a temporary variable and destructuring it, we can remove the usage of a temporary variable like this. Here we are creating an array with the value of A and B, and without assigning this array to another variable, we are directly destructuring it to B and A. Actually, in this technique also we are using a temporary variable, but that is not explicit like this. And also, as this array is not directly pointed out by any variable, this array becomes eligible for garbage collection. That means this array can be automatically destroyed and its memory can be reclaimed by JavaScript engine when it determines that this array is no longer needed. Okay, that's it for today's session. If you have any questions or if you want me to do video on any particular topic, please do let me know through comments. And if you like this video, just thumbs up for this video and share this video with your friends. Meet you soon in one another video. Till then, thank you and goodbye.